Hello, and thank you for visiting this video on how to remove your LCD laptop screen. We're going to be showing you how to replace a cracked or broken LCD screen with your new screen. There's going to be a few tools needed. One would be a Phillips head screwdriver, cover for your keyboard so you don't hurt the screen when you're putting it on, something to hold the screws while you're working. Okay, first what we want to do is take out the battery as a safety precaution. Once we've taken off the battery, we can move on to disassembly. First, we're going to want to look at the bezel, which is this plastic front cover here. You're going to find plastic covers. There can be 2, there can be 4, doesn't matter, just need to locate all of them and take them off. We suggest you keep them in a container so you don't lose any of them, as they are important. Once you've located all the plastic covers, you can move on to unscrewing them. Once you have all the screws off, you're going to want to gently place your fingers inside the bezel in between the screen and gently pull off. When you're taking off the bezel, you might hear some popping sounds. That just means it's coming off, so don't worry about that. Place it off the side and we can move on to our next step. Okay, the next step we're going to do is actual taking out of the screen. You're going to find that the screen is going to be screwed in place to some brackets. What we're going to need is to take your screwdriver and carefully take all of these screws out and put them in the collection with all your others. You'll find them located in the front and possibly on the sides. Every screen is different, so just look very carefully. Okay, now we're going to take the screen off. If there's any tape, we're going to gently pull it off the back of the screen. Use your fingernails to gently pull out the plug from the screen. Some computers may have an additional connector. Just gently also remove that one. See, it really is that easy. Now we're going to go get the new screen. And now we're going to put it back in just like new. Now that we have the LCD screen back in place, we're going to use the screws to mount it in. And there is your finished new screen for your laptop.